Your daily habit shapes your life and can either bring you closer to Allah and your purpose or lead you further astray. In this video, we will explore 6 destructive habits that many of us fall into and how to replace them with positive and purposeful actions that aligns with Islamic teachings. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Zainab. I speak about self-improvement so that you can level up and improve your life without compromising your relationship with Allah. So if you're interested in practical tips on self-improvement, subscribe and like the video. The first habit is procrastinating your goals. You need to understand that if you won't start today, it's likely you won't start tomorrow as well. Procrastination is a silent killer of dreams. Even if you start tomorrow, the likelihood of quitting is higher because delaying builds a habit of inconsistency. Remember, the Prophet said, tie your camel and put your trust in Allah. This means that in Islam, we know and we acknowledge that it is a must that you take action, work hard, and rely on Allah for the results. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start small and trust Allah with the outcome. The second habit that can be or might be destructive to you is that you are being selfless to the point of harm. Being selfish is not always that bad. Sometimes saying no can be the best way to treat yourself. Just see it as an act of self-preservation. For example, saying no to talk or to friends or to things that does not align with your values Islamically or even your personal goals. Many people agree to things out of peer pressure. I didn't want to do this. Yeah, I just did it. Only to feel regret, only to feel guilt later. So you need to start to evaluate every decision you take by asking yourself, does this align with my goals and my values? If not, politely decline. The third habit is that you are allowing social media to distract you. I mean, that is what it was built for. Social media is often a tool we use to distract ourselves. Most especially we content creator or we creative, you're like, I'm going there to find some inspiration, and you end up using 3 hours watching other people's life, watching other people creating. You're busy watching other people doing their job, doing what they are good at, doing what they're supposed to be doing, because if they didn't do what they were supposed to do in the first place, you wouldn't see the video to watch and to stay on it while laughing. Ha 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 ha. Stop consuming and start creating. One thing social media does is that it makes you compare, like constant comparison with other people's life, their bodies, their achievements, only to feel discontent with your own life. You need to know that what you see on social media is a highlighted reel for you. You do not know what goes or what happened behind the scene. This is a practical tip for you. Start to limit your screen time or even quit it totally and focus on your own journey. Use social media to gain beneficial knowledge, not for endless scrolling. The fourth one is neglecting your health. Your body is an amana from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you don't know what amana means trust. Your body is a trust from Allah upon you. Yet many of us ignore it until it is too late. If you're hearing baby's voice, my baby is at my back right now. I just want to quickly finish this video. There are people who can't afford the gym, healthy food, or even the resources to take better care of themselves. But you have to remind yourself that you have, or even if you don't have all, you have some. These people will give anything just to have the privilege that you have. You have healthy food, you have the gym, even your house, you can start exercising, you have internet to watch various workout videos. Why not start doing it? Start small, start to eat healthy, add a 10-minute walk to your day, start to avoid excess sugar, eat halal foods, prioritize your sleep, and make time for tahajjud, because that is also part of taking care of yourself. Make time for tahajjud, make time to speak with Allah in a time that everyone is sleeping, to recharge your soul, your mind, and your body. The fifth habit that might be destructive to you is that you are avoiding the big, scary move. I know, me saying it now is like, big, scary move. The thing is, that one thing that you are scared of might be the only thing that can transform your life and change your life for the better. I know it's okay for us to be like, yeah, I'm okay in my comfort zone, but starting that halal business might be what you need. might be just what you need to change your life. Detoxing from unnecessary screen and starting to seek beneficial knowledge might just be what you need. Working hard that creates a balance between your life and your deen might just be what you need. So take one bold step today towards what you've been avoiding for a very long time, because fear fades when action begins. Another destructive habit to avoid is relying on others to save you. I know this is not your first time hearing. No one is coming to save you except Allah. And have you heard of the saying, heaven helps those who help themselves? Allah will definitely, surely help those who help themselves. You cannot just sit asking Allah, begging Allah to pass your exam while not reading, while you're scrolling, and you go into the exam all. What do you expect? Like, what were you thinking? Many of us live on autopilot, forgetting our purpose as a Muslim. Sometimes we go all day without remembering Allah while neglecting your prayer, your family, and your responsibilities as a Muslim. We are created to worship Allah, and you should know that you are here on your own. Every soul will be accounted for their own deeds. No one is coming to save you, even in this life and on the day of judgment. Work time and find ways to balance your deen and your dunya. These two are very important, but you see that deen, it is most important. Okay, I just need to let you know that your life is a collection of your daily habits. If you want to see positive change, start replacing these destructive habits with purposeful ones. Balancing is the key. Work for this world, but prioritize your akhirah. If you found this video helpful or you found anything valuable in it, do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Till I see you in my next video. Yeah, let me go attend to my baby. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.